Meizu will be launching the Meizu 16Xs smartphone on May 30th. The smartphone will be announced as a successor for the Meizu 16X smartphone from 2018. The Meizu 16Xs will be the company's first smartphone to arrive with triple rear cameras. The entire specifications of the smartphone have been leaked through its TENAA listing. Yesterday, the smartphone was also spotted on Geekbench benchmarking platform. 3 listings of the Meizu 16Xs phone had appeared on Geekbench yesterday. As it can be seen in the below image, the Meizu 16Xs has scored around 23xx in single-core tests and around 59xx in the multi-core tests. Unfortunately, none of the listings clearly reveal the name of the processor that powers the smartphone. The unidentified SoC of the Meizu 16Xs is assisted by 6GB of RAM. The handset runs on Android 9 Pie OS. The TENAA listing of the Meizu 16Xs states that it is powered by an octa-core processor that works at 2.0 GHz. The Geekbench appearance of the phone has revealed that its processor has a base frequency of 1.71 GHz. The Snapdragon 675 chipset includes 2 Creo 460 Gold CPU cores working at 2.0 GHz and 6 Creo 460 Silver CPU cores clocking at 1.71 GHz. Hence, there is a possibility that the Meizu 16Xs could be powered by the SD675. The Meizu 16Xs will be arriving with a notch-less display of 6.2 inches. The AMOLED screen will offer Full HD Plus resolution of 1080x2232 pixels and 18.5:9 aspect ratio. The display of the phone will be embedded with an in-screen fingerprint reader. The handset will be backed by a 4000 mAh battery. For photography, the Meizu 16Xs will be featuring 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple camera setup and a front camera of 16 megapixel. The Android 9 Pie OS flavored with the latest version of Flame UI will come loaded on the device. It will have an internal storage of 64 GB. The TENAA listing of the phone had revealed that it won't carry support for extended storage.